Cogram integrates with platforms like Zoom, Teams, and Google Meet, making it easy to capture and organize all your important details from your project discussions.
Once you log in, you can go to a screen which shows you your calendar, and then you can connect this to your own personal calendar. Here you can see me connect here, and this will take me through to a permissions page. You can set up how many meetings you want Cogram to join automatically or not. Connect this to your account, and then you're all set. So this is all connected in here, and it can see all of your meetings. So when you create a meeting, you can see here, I've set one up in Google, and it's got a meeting link to a virtual meeting, and you can see that this is set to attend, so Cogram will join that session. And then you'll obviously start the session, and from here, Cogram will join. Depending on how quickly you set that meeting up, sometimes it takes a few minutes to come through, but you can see it's coming here, admit that, and then you can see there's another attendee to the meeting, which is the meeting note taker. So what you can see here is that Cogram has joined the call and is then sitting in the background and recording the minutes. So I'm going to say a couple of things that I want it to record. I'd like it to record that this is a training session for Cogram and how it works. I want it to understand that it needs to take notes, and that some of the actions from this are for me to publish a video on this and share it with my audience. That means it will look after all this in the background, and you can carry on with taking your meeting minutes quickly and easily. When you're finished, you just hang up, and it will then send you an email and cover all of the things which
Here
are
you can see the email summary which has been sent through, and it's captured all of the details from the meeting that I've talked about. It's put it into a format which is summary, then bullet points, and then action items at the bottom. You can amend this based on your own template, and it will import that based on that style and formatting that you want. You're able to go back to the website and select that meeting, and then you can share this either with a link or you can export this and essentially copy the text and paste it into your own template. So I select copy here and then go to my own template for meeting minutes and then paste that in. As I say, you can use your own template for this and it will automatically set this up for you. And then you can basically update this and refine it based on your requirements and any small changes that you want to make to this.
If you're ready to save time, then go to the ad marketplace, search for Cogram, and there's a link there that will take you to the website to show you how that works, and you can sign up for a trial. Any comments or feedback, please come back to me. And if you want any software reviewed or looked at, then please let me know and I will do that in the next video. Thanks very much.